Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install iMagick on Oracle Linux 9.3. iMagick evolves from the command lines as Magicky. It's a free and open source cross-platform software suites for displaying, creating, converting, modifying, and editing a rastered image. It also can read and write over 200 image file format and is widely used in open source applications. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. Next, I am going to install Apache and PHP by using the following command. Next, I am going to enable and start Apache and PHP service by using the following command. Next, I am going to allow HTTP service in firewall and reload the firewall by using the following command. Next, I am going to install REPL repository by using dnf command. Next, I am going to build the yum cache or newly installed yum repository by using the following command. Next, I am going to install ImageMagick by using the following command. Next, I am going to check the installed version of ImageMagick by using the following command. The version of ImageMagick is 6.9. Next, I am going to install PHP iMagick by using the following command. Next, I am going to install PHP iMagick by executing pel command. You enter. Next, I am going to add the Imagick extension to php.in file by using the following command. Next, I am going to restart the Apache and PHP service to reload iMagick modules by using the following command. Next, to execute the following command to verify that iMagick modules is loaded successfully. Next, to verify by creating a php info web page by using the following command. Search our IP, scroll down, and we will find the iMagick section. This is the iMagick section. This is the process to install iMagick on Oracle Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.